So we're going to be installing the Korky heavy duty handle and lever, and this is the brushed nickel. It's a universal strong arm built to last, and as you can see, it can fit different brands here. A little look at the brushed nickel, and it could be for front mount, angle mount, side mount, right mount, and side down mount. And very easy to install. We're just going to mount the handle, attach the adjusting arm, and then attach the flapper chain. And here what's included, we have the handle assembly, we have the hook, and some instructions on how to install in case you just need a refresher or you're new to replacing the handle yourself. So first we detach the first lever, and then we're going to remove the two red locking clips, which are right here, and just pull them out. Then you're going to separate them. So it's separated from the lever, and then we're going to remove this nut part. So we installed the handle with the nut here. We have the elbow, which we're going to install at a 30-degree angle, like this. And then keep this Korky here at a parallel, right here, parallel with the toilet. And we're going to install the clips. Carefully not to drop them into the toilet. So it's on the hook, and then I attach it. And then we attach the hook here. And it looks like we can go one more chain link. So let's remove the hook. All right, we got it perfectly aligned. Not too much slack and not pulling it up. So yeah, works perfectly and looks beautiful.